Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Windows account is ready, because locking relies on an account password. Set one now if needed. Once done, update Roblox and Windows so there are no interruptions. Then open Settings, go to Accounts, and enable required sign-in on Wake. This forces a password after sleep or screensaver. You're taking these steps first because an unlocked account or outdated system will prevent reliable locking while you run Roblox or switch away from the game. Next, set the automatic lock. Open Personalization, choose Screensaver, pick one and set a timeout. Make sure On Resume Display Logon screen is checked because that enforces lock after idle. Then create a desktop shortcut using Run lul32, exe user32, DLL lock workstation for an immediate lock command. Once done, right-click the shortcut, set properties, and assign a convenient hotkey like Ctrl+Alt+L. This gives you both an automatic lock and a single press man. Finally, test the setup by running Roblox. Then Alt+Tab out or press your hotkey and confirm Windows shows the lock screen. If it does, you're done. If Roblox prevents background locking, minimize the game or use Win+L as a reliable fallback, because some full-screen games capture input. If locking still fails, check that your account has a password, that sign-in on resume is enabled, and that no background app is overriding power settings. Fixing those usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.